Today, we're going to do something.
Do you know what we're going to do? What we're going to do?
Make a rainbow.
Yeah, we are going to be making puff rainbow. So we have, what do we have?
It has food color, it has sticks, it has glues, it has shaving cream, and it has plates and paper and
paintbrush.
Yes.
So these are cardstock paper. So because of the shaving cream and the glue, so that when the shaving cream melts down, it's not gonna go seep through the regular construction paper. So let's get started. The recipe calls for white glue, but we also have this glue in a dark glue, and I want to see if we can use that. So what we're going to be doing, we are going to be putting equal parts of the glue with the shaving cream. Okay. So we are going to be doing a trial and error. The popsicle stick is just there to mix. So I think this is another experience all by itself because we're just mixing. So I think I would do this again just so that they can mix the different colors.
Look.
Wait, TT, wait.
It's turning a different color.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna wash your hands, TT, okay?
My hands is not dirty.
No, but TT hands is.
purple. Look. It still has colors. Purple has colors. We gotta mix purple for the rainbow.
Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Oh, you know what color we forgot? Green. We forgot green.
Oh, yeah.
So you want to add green?
Yes. It turned bright green. The green just turned bright green.
Turned bright green?
Yes.
Oh, wow, yes. All pastel colors.
Mix so many colors. Mix. Look, Mommy, I'm mixing all of them. And look, I'm making a rainbow. Wow, look at all of this.
Okay, so here's the finished product. Oh, look at it.
Nice. It's so rainbow.
1, 2, 3, say cheese.
Cheese. Cheese.
And don't forget, next week we are going to be celebrating Week of the Young Child, Monday through Friday. And if you want to participate, please hashtag us, Lani Love AJ.
Oh gosh.
show you how this puff paint looks when it's dried. And yes, it is dry. Look at this. It's so soft. And I even got the other ones that was on the plate that we didn't really use. But, do you see that?